Best trolleys bag for travel. Number 5. Assembly Cabin Luggage Polycarbonate 20 inches Premium Hard-Sided Trolley Bags. Approx price 5,698 rupees. 100% polycarbonate material. Water and scratch resistant suitcase. Keyless TSA lock trolley bag. Additional laptop compartment. Bag capacity 42 liter. 5 years of warranty on manufacturing defects. Number 4. Safari Rye Polycarbonate 65 semis Midnight Blue Hard-Sided Check-in Luggage. Approx price 2,999 rupees. Outer material polycarbonate. Capacity 57.6 liters. Weight 3,600 grams. Number lock. Textured polycarbonate scratch resistant shell. Number 3. Amazon Basics Polycarbonate Hard 76 Semi Suitcase. Approx price 2,778.60 rupees. Large hard side spinner luggage. Interior capacity 105 liters. Made of extra thick abs for enhanced strength and durability. Fully lined interior with handy divider and zippered pocket for easy organizing. Expandable for up to 50% additional packing capacity. Number 2. American Tourister IVY Spinner Polycarbonate 68 semi medium black check-in hard luggage. Approx price 3,699 rupees. Scratch and impact resistant material. Extra packing space. Color matched 3-digit recessed TSA lock. Number 1. Skybags Trooper 55 semis polycarbonate blue hard-sided cabin luggage. Approx price 2,999 rupees. Capacity 28 liters. Weight 2,360 grams. Number lock. Scratch resistance. 1 year international warranty. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.